In this video, we will teach you all about our high-temperature brick cement and how it can be used to repair large damaged areas in your kiln brick. Let's get started. Sometimes damage can be too severe to fill in with brick patch, but not severe enough to require replacing the entire brick. In cases like these, you may want to consider using high-temp brick cement to bind a new piece of firebrick into place. For less severe damage, watch our tutorial on how to use brick patch. The cementing process works by cutting out the damaged area, using the cement to adhere a new piece of firebrick in its place, and sanding it down flush with the original brick. This repair will require a plastic spatula, a sanding block, a sponge, a saw, a new firebrick, and the high-temp brick cement. Depending on the location and specifics of the area you are repairing, you may also need a chisel to help remove all of the damage. We recommend making or buying a 60 grit sanding block. Start by using a straight edge and a pencil to mark out the damage. Make sure that your markings are all straight and square. Once you have marked out the area, you can use a saw to cut your brick. Firebrick is very soft and can easily be sawed by hand. Repeat the process to cut out a piece of new firebrick. Be sure to cut the new piece slightly larger so that it can be sanded down to size later on. If your cuts aren't completely straight, don't worry. You can flatten the faces using a sanding block. Before making the repair with the cement, use a brush or vacuum to thoroughly clean all surfaces of dust. Once your pieces are clean and you ensure they fit properly, you can begin cementing. Start by wetting down the brick surfaces. Use a plastic spatula to apply the cement onto both the damaged brick and the new brick piece. Be sure you have an even coat on all surfaces. Squeeze the two pieces together and keep them properly aligned. Excess cement that squeezes out can be used to fill in any gaps along the seam. Use a damp sponge to clean off any remaining excess before it begins to dry. Once the new piece of brick is cemented into place, allow the repair to dry for 24 hours before proceeding. After the cement has fully cured, you can sand down the new piece of brick until it is perfectly flush with the original brick. You have successfully made a repair with high-temperature brick cement. That concludes this video. For more kiln maintenance, repairs, and tutorials, be sure to visit L&L's website at hotkilns.com.